video yesterday, just doing my get ready with me. It turns out I wasn't filming. So I feel like in this video, I'm like, is it on? My acne is just flaring this week.